Hi there, so I'm going to show you how I tie my onions. These were harvested a few weeks ago. The weather's obviously been really hot, so they've dried out quite nicely. Now what I'm looking for is this bit here to be really thin and sort of dry, so I can get a good tight knot on there, and that will stop it bolting. So normally when I do this, it lasts at least 11 months. If I'm lucky, then maybe 12 months. I'll just show you some from last year. So these are last year's onions. You can see most of them have gone over. There's a couple that still can be used, and these are well over 12 months old. And these kind of feel like the onions you buy outside of greengrocers, that type of onion. Yeah, you can use that one as well. So yeah, I'll show you how I tie it. So I use this nylon kind of string. Don't use natural twine because it will just rot and you won't be able to get a really tight knot on the onion head. So what I'll do is I'll start the length. So I'll do 2 arms lengths, and then tie a loop at one end. And then I'll line up the onions that I'm going to be tying. Makes it easier because you want them next to each other. I'll start on the first one. There we go, just like that. So I've tied a knot. And you can see it's quite thin there, so that will not bolt. So I'll line up the onion next to it so they're touching each other, and I'll do the same again. It's difficult to start off with because you've got quite a long bit of line, but it gets easier as you go on. Let's fast forward this a little bit. One nice train of onions. Now you can either tie the 2 ends together or have it long like that. I think because of the space that I've got, I'm going to just tie the 2 ends together. So there you go. That's how I tie my onions. So there you go, that's all the onions done. All nice and tight. So I'm going to hang these up now in the garage and yeah, pick them when I want them.